Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I will guide you how to remove your Instagram account permanently from PC. So you can see you can go any browser. I'm using Google Chrome, then search instagram.com, then you'll find the website like this, and then you can see the option more. Simply click on the more, and you can see the option settings. Simply click here settings, then you can see here personal details. Simply click here. Once you click here, then you can see your personal details. Simply click here again, then the last option account ownership and control, and deactivation or deletion, and again click on your profile. Then you can see here two options: deactivate your account and delete your account. You can deactivate your account if you don't want to delete, or if you want to delete or remove your account permanently, then select this one. So once you select this one, then continue, and you have to put your password here, then continue, then your account will be removed or deleted permanently. So okay friend, today's no more, and see you in the next video.